Start preparation for more than 50,000 questions. With this preparation series, build your career with computer. Preparation for computer operator with 50,000 questions answered. First question. Who developed the first computer that could store data and instructions? A. Charles Babbage. B. Pascal. C. Herman Hollerith. D. John von Neumann. And the answer is John von Neumann. Second question. Punched card was developed by A. Charles Babbage. B. Microsoft Company. C. Leibniz. D. None of the above. And the answer is none of the above. Third question. Which of the following input device is also known as memory device? A. Keyboard. B. Punch card. C. Joystick. D. No one of the above. And the answer is punch card. Fourth question. All touchable parts of the computer are known as A. Application software. B. System software. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. And the answer is none of the above. Fifth question. A special kind of software which is supplied by the hardware manufacturer is known as A. Hardware. B. Machine. C. Firmware. D. Liveware. And the answer is firmware. Sixth question. A character is equal to A. 1 bit. B. 1 byte. C. 4 bits. D. All of the above. And the answer is 1 byte. Seventh question. 1 gigabyte is equal to A. 10 to the power of 9 bytes. B. 10 to the power of 10 bytes. C. 10 to the power of 11 bytes. D. 10 to the power of 12 bytes. And the answer is 10 to the power of 9 bytes. Eighth question. On which of the computer can multiple users work at a time simultaneously? A. PC computer. B. Microcomputer. C. Mainframe computer. D. None of the above. And the answer is mainframe computer. Ninth question. Microcomputer are further classified as below. A. PC. B. PCXT. C. PCAT. D. All of the above. And the answer is all of the above. 10th question. The concept of artificial intelligence is for A. Second generation. B. Third generation. C. Fourth generation. D. Fifth generation. And the answer is fifth generation. Subscribe to continue the learning and preparation.